Dear parents, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all in new academic year. My name is Swati Bhavsar and I will be briefing you about maths curriculum for standard 4 across the year. Many of you have question in mind. Why do we teach maths? First, it's a part of syllabus, but most importantly, it is a very necessary life skill. Mathematics makes our life orderly and prevent chaos. We use maths in our day-to-day life and it's all about critical thinking and problem solving. From standard 1 to 5, students learn basic arithmetic which includes addition, subtraction, multiplication and division and basics of geometry. For example, study of points, line, angles, surfaces, and solids. It's a base for formal mathematics and very important as students are going to use every single thing in the rest of their math study. And of course, they will start applying it in their day-to-day life also. Now, let me tell you how are the students taught in Walnut. Here, topics are explained through presentation. We all know that most of the learning happens through sight. If the concept is explained through visuals, then children understand it more easily. After the explanation, students start solving the problem under teacher's supervision. In every period, some teaching and some solving happen. Because of solving immediately after explanation, the concept gets fixed in students' mind as they are taught. Few questions they have to solve by themselves. Because of constant practice, they have stronger fundamentals. Let me tell you more about our worksheet pattern. For standard 1 to 5, we don't follow the NCERT books directly. We use them for reference and extract the content and then design the worksheet accordingly. In primary stage, basic skills need to be worked out properly as these are the most important to build up strong base for formal mathematics. The syllabus of standard 4 math is divided in 4 units. Let's have a quick glance on topics covered in each unit. Topics of Unit 1 are geometrical figures, reading, writing, comparing 3-digit numbers, handling 4-digit numbers, handling 5-digit numbers, addition, subtraction, place value, expanded form, comparisons, ordering even and odd numbers, and Devanagari numerals. In Unit 2, topics are 3-digit by 2-digit multiplication, multiplication word problems, 2-digit multiplication, regular method of division, and division word problems. Topics for Unit 3 are value of money and word problems, reading time on a clock, problems based on a calendar, addition and subtraction word problems, calculating time and days past, larger multiplications like 3-digit by 2 digits. And finally, topics for Unit 4 are larger divisions, that is 3-digit by 1 digit, converting between units of distance, mass and volume, and doing word problems, converting between units of mass, concept of perimeter and area, and word problems on perimeter and area. Parents, math is a subject in which practice is must. Lots of questions are given in worksheet, some of them getting solved by students during the period, but many more to solve at home practicing more and more. Remember, these are not at all homework worksheet. Students have to solve all questions and complete the worksheet so that they understand the concept very well and it gets fixed in their mind. The whole academic year is divided into 2 terms and in each term There are 2 unit tests. On exam days, only descriptive exams will be conducted. Exam days are already marked in the calendar. Objective exams are conducted in the form of online MCQ test. These exams are conducted over the unit. There are 3 MCQ tests and best 2 out of 3 in each unit are counted as formative assessment. The descriptive test will be for 15 marks and duration is half an hour. Only subjective questions are given in this test. Mark distribution in a unit is 15 marks for subjective test and 10 marks for objective, that is MCQ test. Hence, each unit is of 25 marks. And there are 4 such units in the year. Portion for each unit test is nothing but topics covered in that unit only. And exam will be based on all the concepts that they have learned in the unit. When we talk about exams and unit test, most of the parents are worried about taking their children's practice and nagging behind students for study. But in Walnut School, our students and parents are stress free because 1 week before the exam, students have their practice test in the school. These are conducted just like main exams. These practice tests are based on whole portion of that quarter and all types of questions are covered in that. That's why our students are well prepared for the actual exams. Parents, you may have heard about remedial coaching in Walnut School. Many parents appreciated the way we are conducting it. Remedial sessions are conducted for the students who are lagging in understanding certain concept. We are identifying such students and start from the basic concepts. In this manner, targeted remedial coaching is achieved. Learning math is all about experiencing it in daily life. And how can we achieve this in school? In our maths lab, students get a feel of mathematics through hands-on activities. These activities are specially designed to enhance students' ability to think, visualize, and reason, which is nothing but introducing applied mathematics. In Walnut School, students are learning through hands-on activities and in stress-free environment. But there are few things which we have to stress on. Neatness is very important. We all know that if work is untidy, it leads to more errors. Second most important thing, which I have mentioned earlier, regular practice is essential to keep the mind sharp. It's your duty to make sure children are practicing on regular basis. Last but not the least, students should be able to read and understand questions. Understanding the word problem in English is very important. I have seen that parents are helping the students to translate the word problem in their mother tongue and then students are solving it. But do not translate. Let the child try it out. If they get stuck somewhere, then you can help. That will help you to understand if the child gets it or not. The advantage students get in Walnut School. Though formal mathematics starts in Standard 6 in CBSE curriculum, we start from Standard 1. Because of planned learning, each year a few topics from the year ahead are covered. So, students get a lot of additional math practice for scholarship in Standard 4 only. And in this way, in Standard 10, they get extra time for so many other practices. We are here to arouse their interest about the subject and get their concepts strong. And that's how Walnut students are always stay tough outside and smart inside. Thank you.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.